Hello everyone, this is Derby. In this video, we will see basic introduction to KoboToolbox and learn how to create a KoboToolbox account. As learning outcomes, after successfully watching this video, you will be able to describe the basic concepts of KoboToolbox and to create KoboToolbox account. Then what is a KoboToolbox? KoboToolbox is the software which is free and open source platform designed for field data collection and management. It works both online and offline. We can collect the data in both options. It enables users in order to build customized digital forms and collect responses. So in a very short terms, KoboToolbox is a data collection platform which works online and offline via smart mobile. So we can build, we can prepare survey questionnaire using this platform and collect the data online and offline options. Let us quickly look at what are the available features of KoboToolbox. One very important feature in the KoboToolbox is Form Builder, where we use it to design surveys or questionnaire before they are deployed for data collection. So it helps to design digital forms, and it is compatible with Excel forms for powerful, flexible survey creation. The other feature is question library, in which we save, reuse, and manage commonly used survey questions. So it provides for users the question library. So questions can be stored in this question library, and they are easily added to new projects. The other feature is data collection. So data collection is possible through KoboToolbox in both Android and browser-based version, and can be collected online and offline, usually by using smart mobile device or PC. The other key feature of KoboToolbox is data submission. Reliable and secure transmission of records from the field to a central surveyor is possible. Other feature is data download. Data can be downloaded in several formats, particularly in Excel and SPSS for further analysis. KoboToolbox has again another important feature, which is user access control. Users can create separate accounts and their forms. Data are inaccessible to other users and system administrators unless you choose to share. Then let us see how to create a KoboToolbox account. To create a KoboToolbox account, we go to a web browser. In this case, it is Google Chrome. Then we type KoboToolbox.org, KoboToolbox.org. Then once we have provided the web address for KoboToolbox, we get the homepage of KoboToolbox. And then in this homepage of KoboToolbox, we click Get Started for Free. Then immediately when we click Get Started for Free, we get two popular public servers for KoboToolbox. The first one is Global KoboToolbox Server, and the second one is European Union KoboToolbox Server. So for this illustration purpose, let us use the global KoboToolbox server. But to create an account, then we click create an account here. The new dialog box will open, in which we need to provide information, the required information to create an account. Then we provide full name, username, mandatory fields. We need to fill in all these mandatory fields, including country, the sector, and then the password and password confirmation. And then we click create account. And then the KoboToolbox.org will send you a message through your email address where you have to activate the link. Okay, the link provided through your email address, and then you need to click that link to activate the KoboToolbox account creation. Therefore, by following the instructions given through the email address, then the account will be created. Let us look at what KoboToolbox interface looks like by using my own already created account. Let me just click login in. Okay, once your account is created, and then by providing your username and password, you can log in. So I have to provide information on username and then password. So the KoboToolbox interface looks like this. Then in order to create new project, you start from this. You click new. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.